Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got a package unboxing for you. The video is obviously titled School Bus Model Unboxing. I'm not going to tell you what kind of model it is until we get it out of the box. You actually might be able to figure out what model it is based on what kind of box it's in. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and open this up. I usually don't do unboxings, but I figured I got this fancy tripod and this new camera. May as well do an unboxing and use this tripod. Yeah. Oh, okay. So, we've got packing peanuts. Yes, guys, I bought packing peanuts. I mean, look at those packing peanuts. Obviously, I didn't just buy packing peanuts. So let's see. Okay, it's in here. Right here. I am already making a mess. Great. Hold on. Let me just pull this out without making a mess, or at least. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's in the bag here. That's great. Let me get this box out of the way. Okay. Alright, so we can see it's in a black box. Those of you who might have one of these might know what it is. Make sure there's nothing in here. Okay. So it's just a black box that says Made in China. I wonder what it is. Let's zoom in on that. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's focus. Okay. So let's go ahead and look in here. Oh, what side is it on? Oh, look at that, it's a CE. Got the mirrors, obviously. A random piece of cardboard. This plastic thing is in horrible shape. But the bus itself, very nice. Now, this is one of the older ones that has rubber tires. Well, I guess really they all have rubber tires, but this one's one of the older ones that's got, the tires are actually, as you can see, kind of, you can take them off easily compared to the older versions where they weren't as easy to take off. It's also got the older IC logo there, if it'll focus for you. Got the CE, got the IC logo up there. Those wheels are very yellow. I don't know if you can really tell what I'm talking about, but like, it's like very dark yellow plastic. There's the stop sign if it'll actually come out for me. Oh, okay, I hope that's not. Yeah, so there's the back. We got the older IC logo. So this is probably a 2005 to about 2012 model year IC, before they started doing the newer IC logo. And then the 14s had Navistar, and anything after that just has a blank bumper. But yeah, I thought you guys would like to see this unboxing. It's a nice little CE. If you guys would be interested in seeing me do a review on the second generation and even the first generation CE, let me know. I might just do it in one big video. So if you notice when I looked at the mirrors, there's actually a little piece of paper, and this is pretty cool. I guess the older ones had a instruction paper for what to do with the mirrors. You can see here it's got the model on there, and it basically just, shows you what to do. But I thought that was pretty cool, so I wanted to show you guys. So I'm actually finding all kinds of things in this package. There's also this little Avery type thing. So what it says here is inspected November 21st, 2006. Fender mirrors, tires, side mirrors, in package, general finish. So I'm guessing this is what they would have, to show that it had everything it needed and was ready to move on. Now, I don't know, because it looks like you could peel this off and put it on something. I don't know if it, went on something or what, but I thought that was pretty cool, so I wanted to show you guys that too. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.